Good morning. Investing in real estate is a serious business. And even more serious than this is how you manage tenants and how you manage your property. Landlords, leases and lies. I have no idea why 99%, I'm sure it must be 99% of people lie on the applications to rent. I don't know if this is just a norm or people think by not telling the truth, someone's not going to find out. Some of our best tenants, and we train our landlords to look for this, are tenants that come forward and say they've had an issue, they've had a judgment, they've lost their job, they've got divorced, whatever the issue is. But I don't know what it is that people feel if they keep this information, maybe we won't find out. Now, if you do your job right as a landlord or an agent, and you do the application properly, you do the checks properly, you can mitigate this because you can end up with great tenants. But ending up with a tenant that you don't even start off well with is just bad news. In the actual application, take it more seriously. Ask for more bank statements. Check the bank statements. Call previous landlords. Not one, not two, but three. You really need to go back and find how this person has lived in other people's properties, because you don't want to end up on a demolition site with a tenant living for free. And lastly, do a personal interview. One-on-one. Ask personal questions, have a chat, see if they are amicable to how you want to run your property. I lay the blame squarely on the landlord. You can mitigate these risks in 4 ways. You can mitigate it quite easily after you've done the credit checks, after you've done the personal interview, and after you've checked out with previous landlords. You can mitigate by either doing a short-term test period, by increasing the deposit, by having someone stand surety for them, or increasing the inspections and the interval between inspections. This way you will be able to immediately see when something is going awry with the rentals. But it all starts with a strong application. Happy investing.